Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Buick GS 400 convertible. And this car has only 94,000 original miles. And I'll read you from the seller's sign that he had made up here, which this car was at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it sold for $38,000. And according to the seller's sign that he made up, as I mentioned, it has 94,000 original miles, two-owner car prior to me, matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine, 3-speed turbohydromatic 400 automatic transmission, bucket seats with console, highly optioned car, factory air conditioning, power windows, power four-way driver's seat, power top with glass window, tilt wheel, power door locks, map light and rear view mirror, new retro stereo and speakers, original interior in nice shape, new custom floor mats, power brakes, brand new custom tires and wheels, original wheel covers and trunk, huge file of receipts and documentation, always a California car, current registration. The car looks and drives fantastic. And he's right about that. It did look fantastic, that's for sure. And like I mentioned, it sold for $38,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it's pretty rare car, actually. They only built in 1969. They built 1,564 convertible GS 400s. 48 were 3 speeds, 214 were 4 speeds, and 1,303 were automatics. And that's what this guy is. So he's one of the 1,303 automatics GS 400s that they built in 1969. And they didn't make too many GS 400s in the coupe form either. They only built 6,346 GS 400s, and 117 of those had the 3-speed. The 3-speed was standard, so that's why they had the 3 speeds in a lot of their cars. 785 4-speeds and 5,444 automatics. And then they came out with the Stage 1 mid-year, and they built 1,256 sport coupes, and of those, 9 were 3 speeds, 415 were 4 speeds, and 832 were automatics. And then they built 212 convertible Stage 1s. 4 were 3 speeds, 77 were 4 speeds, and 131 were automatics in 1969. And then in 1970, they went to the totally redesigned car, and that went through 72, and that was pretty much it for the GS Skylarks. 72 was the end of them, but anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Buick GS 400 convertible with 94,000 original miles, a 3-owner car, matching numbers, engine, and had power bucket seat console with the automatic transmission, and then power windows, power top, power four-way driver's seat, tilt wheel, power door locks, new wheels and stereo, and always a California car, and currently registered. And it sold for $38,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.